So I've been lying in bed now for the past half an hour or so, procrastinating whether I should do this, how I'm going to do this. And what's the time now? It's 1:59 in the morning, and I've decided finally I'm going to do this clip and try and start a YouTube channel. I've been talking about it for a long time, thinking about it for a long time, and I think I'm gonna do it. No idea what it's about, but I guess I'll figure it out on the way. Now that it's off my chest, maybe I can sleep again. Let's try.
So look who made it back. After my epiphany last night, I decided to run with this whole YouTube thing and make more videos about it. Basically, I'm going to give you a quick introduction about myself. My name is Kyle. I'm a cabin crew, flight attendant, air host, steward, trolley dolly, whatever you guys know it as. I work here in Dubai and been here for close to 10 years. If you're interested in knowing about the whole cabin crew life or becoming a cabin crew, just let me know. Hopefully I can inspire you, motivate you, get you there. If you just want to know about the lifestyle, then I can tell you also just about that. What I do on my days off, what I do on my layovers, time I spend with my friends, my family. I'm happy to share that with you guys. Just comment below and I can try making videos about that. Otherwise, just watch it, just have a laugh, enjoy it, and see what my life is about. Comment, share, like, subscribe, do whatever you need to do. Keep watching me, and hopefully we can grow this channel together. That's enough about me for my introduction. Let's get straight into the video.